Good afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Monday, September 19th, 2011. Interesting pullback today in the grains, due largely in part to the concerns over Greek debt and the default that is looming over them right now if they don't get assistance from the rest of the European Central Bank and the EU. So that was, of course, helping the dollar out significantly today. The dollar was up pretty good, damaging commodities in the U.S. markets. However, corn, by the end of the day, finished 16 off of its lows, down only a quarter of a point at settlement, 6.92 December corn. There is a rumor that China came out and bought corn, and that's what, right after we heard that rumor come across, and saw that rumor come across some of our internal wires, that's where we started to see corn get supported. So 6.92 is where we finished up on the corn. That's up a quarter point on the day. Unfortunately, soybeans and wheat were not as lucky. We did finish down 19.5 in the November soybeans today, 13.36, and wheat down 15.25 at 6.73. A lot of this market movement, I should say most all of this market movement, is due to the funds. They have been liquidating long positions in the grains. Fundamentals have not changed. If anything, fundamentals with last week's early frost may actually have been a little bit more supportive in recent sessions than they have been, specifically in the soybeans. But the money flow right now is king, and they are pulling the grains back. Technically, these charts are bearish now, and we're not afraid to say that there is the distinct possibility of continued downside in the grains. So make sure you're making smart marketing choices with your grain products and calling elevators and co-ops and whatnot. Get them priced out. We're still near $7 on the corn. We're still above $13 on the beans. Call us with any questions you have regarding your marketing. Again, the dollar's strong, sitting up 55.5 at 77.59 right now. Crude oil down 218. Energies took a significant hit today early and have failed to give a whole lot of it, or get a whole lot of it back. We're at 85.78 right now in the crude. Over to livestock, cattle today, we were down in that October contract, 87.5 points, 117.62.5 in the October fats. Feeders were down $1.12.5 in October at 136.55. Hogs, however, up 30 cents today at 87.65. We are advising our clients with any hogs left to go this year, go ahead and get them sold, get them hedged, do what you need to do before we begin the second leg of the seasonal pullback in the hogs. We have a couple of trades out there right now that we're getting done in the hogs. There are plenty of ways to go about getting short hogs. You can do it with options, do it with futures, do it with a combination of the two. Call us. We'll be more than happy to go over some of our thoughts going forward on the lean hogs and all ag markets as a whole. Phone number we can be reached at is 1-800-262-7538. Or you can visit us on the website, www.allendale-inc.com. And when you're on that website, go over to our products link and check out what our research is going for right now. We do have the harvest special pricing available to you, so you can sign up for that on the web, or go ahead and call us and we'll get you registered or renewed for those of you who are currently subscribing to our research. And that's going to just about do it for us here today, Monday. My name is Bob Dalton. Thank you very much for tuning in again this week, and we'll talk to you again very soon.